Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on how to create a program to make your robot move forward until it sees a black line and then stop. First thing we're going to do is rename our program Move Until Black. And then we're going to introduce our first part of the function, which is a loop. It's in the orange menu. We're going to make sure this loop goes on for infinity, which means we want to keep this program running forever and ever and ever and ever, constantly checking whatever we put inside the loop. The next thing we're going to do is put a switch, also found in the orange menu, over here, and we're going to set it to a color sensor. Color sensor, compare reflected light intensity. This is going to check color sensor number 1, which is plugged into here. Color sensor number 1 is plugged in there. And then we're going to make sure that if it sees black, we stop the robot. So we're going to set yes to off. So we're going to stop the robot if it sees black. Now the question is, when does it see black? In this case, what you need to do is you need to take your robot and move it onto black, which I'm going to do now. So right now, the robot is seeing white. You can see the number 1 has 72. Now, I'm putting the robot light sensor over black. Now it sees 40, which means white is 72, black is 40. So I know now how to differentiate between white and black. It's the number between 72 and 40. 72 and 40, the middle number is around 55. So when that number is less than 55, it must mean that it's hit black. So when you go less than 55, stop. But the thing is, I got 2 color sensors. So I'm going to put another switch in. Let's make this a little bit smaller. And make that the color sensor compare reflected light intensity. And now I'm going to set to number 4, because that's where I plugged in my other color sensor. This color sensor has a white value of 59 and a black value of 33. So the difference between 59 and 33, the middle number is around 45. So I'm going to set this less than 45. So important that you do this checking with your sensors, because all the different color sensors are a little bit different from each other. If the other color sensor sees black, then I want to stop the robot again. If neither the right or the left color sensor sees black, then I want to move forward at 50 power on forever, because you have to set this to on so that it can constantly check it for the loop. If you have it set in rotations or seconds, it'll only check every rotation or second. Thank you very much. You see in this video how it goes forward until it reaches the black line and then it stops. But if I pull it back, the loop keeps going and it'll keep going forward until it stops. Now, it'll stop whether it hits this sensor first or it hits that sensor first. So this program uses 2 different sensors to make sure your robot will not go off the table. Thank you very much.